Hello, everyone. I'm Diogo Quintão. I'm the COO of UTIS, one of the funding partners of the company, and it's a pleasure to be here with you to get you knowledge about what we do as a company. So, currently, UTIS is one of many companies present here today to give a response, give an answer to one of the problems that we have in our planet about environmental risk and our climate change. That is a reality, and we came up with a method, with an idea of giving an answer to the existent problems and existent sources of pollution, and giving an answer that we can immediately apply and install today for a better future tomorrow. So we have developed a group of systems, a family of products and services that will allow you to create more sustainable processes, more sustainable systems in order to reduce the environmental impact of those operations. With the vision of getting a more efficient process of combustion, a more efficient process of manufacturing, and giving an answer and helping our customers to reduce their environmental impact of their operations, we have developed a process of optimizing combustion by using hydrogen. This optimization obviously goes in direction of reducing costs, reducing fuel consumption. Any kind of fuel is applicable with our technology, and we are able to reduce the emissions of that combustion. Obviously, by doing so, we will reduce the emissions and the environmental impact of the overall operation. How do we do this? So basically what we do is we analyze our customers' processes, we analyze with our engineering team, what is the fuel that is being used, what is the emissions that are being produced, what is the output, all the drivers that our customers have in their own processes, and we dimension and apply systems that we develop, that we produce, and that we install, commission, and service in order to extract more energy out of the same quantity of fuel. By doing so, we will have a better and a more efficient process that is not our process, is our customer's process, that will help to optimize by installing our technology. So basically, we are acting in three key business pillars where combustion exists or where we are able to apply our technology. So continuous combustion is present basically in all the industry that is burning fuel. I will give you some examples like cement production, like steam production, or even biomass combustion or waste energy, waste incineration. All these use continuous combustion, and we are able to optimize these kind of processes by reducing fuel consumption, incrementing reliability of the operation, and reducing the environmental impact of that operation. Also in internal combustion, such as a car or a truck or a generator, we also have a solution by applying our method of optimization in this kind of engines, in this kind of operations. You will find it big generators, biogas plants that use methane that comes from landfills. All this is part of our goal and part of our verticals of application of the current technology. Last but not the least, we are always available, and we are producing, as we speak, systems to produce hydrogen as a raw material that can be applied in hydrogen refilling stations or any industry that needs hydrogen as a product. Currently, UTIS has already a worldwide presence. We have currently deployed, as we speak, 124 systems that are currently installed and operating in our customers, spread all over 60 countries worldwide. We have a presence in Portugal. That's where we are based. It's where we produce all our systems, and we have also remote support for all the systems that we produce, given by services that are provided by 3 different locations currently. In Portugal as the main, our main location, and then we have also representatives in Brazil and New Zealand and Australia to give a better support in the actual time zone, or closer to the actual time zone of our customers, to have fast and a reliable technical support to maintain our systems operating with a good reliability factor, because our devices provide to our customers savings that are almost instantaneous after installation. So we must keep our systems operational, running, and giving a good feedback and a good outcome profit to our customers directly by the application of the technology. Typically, we install our systems in a container form. The systems are like plug-and-play systems with all the capabilities inside. We just need to supply water, energy, and commands. Commands, pre-programmed protocols such as Modbus or Ethernet IP that will allow our customers to integrate the system into their own process in a fast and reliable way. The installation of the system, commissioning, let's call it, typically is quite fast due to the very simple requirements. So we just need tap water, like I was explaining, some piping, and to inject the hydrogen into desired points, into each burner that we want to optimize. A commissioning process currently is something like 3 to 5 days with our teams on place, and we are able to put the system running and the operation going on in our customers. Since we are operating and installing systems worldwide, the environmental and the ambient resilience of the system is obviously important. We are talking about PEM electrolyzers that need to operate at negative temperatures, at high temperatures, and obviously in the lab everything is very easy, and no one is thinking in the actual problems of keeping the systems operating in severe conditions. So this was one of the challenges of our R&D team, and obviously we are now performing well even in countries with lower or higher temperatures by adapting our systems to be redundant and to have a big range of operations of ambient temperatures. Each one of the burners of the operation that we are optimizing, these burners need to have a dedicated optimization. So we need one system per each burner, per each combustion, allowing us to develop and deliver the hydrogen necessary for each one of the processes that we are optimizing. So the system is connected to the actual process of the customer, and the system will deliver the necessary quantity of hydrogen on the go. So if you need more hydrogen, next minute, the system will react and produce that necessary hydrogen with variable set points that can be set automatically or by our customers directly in the control room. One thing that is important to highlight, we never store hydrogen in this process. So the hydrogen is produced as it is injected into the process. We naturally need to service all the deployed systems. We have service teams worldwide that are able to travel to our customers and to give the first level maintenance or the second level maintenance that typically is changing filters, changing resins, make sure that the system is continuously operating and all the predictive maintenance is taken care of to assure that the systems don't stop and keep the high reliability factors during all the operation life of the system. So our customers, based on the results that we allow them to achieve, they incorporate our systems into their own processes, becoming parts of its own factory, part of their own process. So a system like this typically represents something like a return of investment never above 1 year, which is very good for the typical industry return of investments. We are also in the field of hydrogen production as a raw material. Obviously, by doing that, we need to go with higher pressures, going to high hydrogen purities, but something that we are also supplying to our customers. We are currently already installing and deploying worldwide this kind of hydrogen generators using PEM technology for several applications. In this particular case, this one you see in the picture, 2 systems installed to produce a hydrogen refueling station for mobility. And that's all. Thank you all for your attention, and I will gladly clarify any additional questions that you may have in our booth at stand A57. So thank you all for your attention, and I wish you a very good fair and with a lot of new information and good thoughts to make our planet better and look ahead to make the future for our kids and for our descendants. Thank you so much for your attention.